Here's how to set the date and time on a Seiko Presage watch. First, locate the crown. Begin by attempting to pull it out with a small amount of force. Once the crown has popped out, it'll be in the first position. This position allows you to set the date. Simply twist the crown towards you to change the date. Pull the crown out to the second position to set the time, and then simply twist the crown and set the time. If you've done all these steps and you're noticing that the date flips over around midday, that just means your watch is either 12 hours ahead or 12 hours behind. So just make that change and your date will flip over around midnight, usually between midnight and 3 a.m. Once that's all done, push the crown back in and you've set the date and time on your Seiko Presage watch. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, give it a like. Thanks.